listen. Sound Bwoy, like it can actually make sense of the words. No, but let's see if it can make sense of mine.
I smell like shit out here.
I know, because we're sitting around a bunch of shit.
I know, I just realized.
I mean,
just realize, gonna spit you some of the real lies that I leave etched in your brain. That means the truth. Ooh, who are you? I just do it so ruthless, leaving you without any truths. That's just because I bring so much black. You so whack. You may even be black, but you can't rap the way that I do. I'm just sitting on the bottom like you. Shoes, that's the way I'm flowing, but I'm going to the ceiling. Get the feeling that I am pushing up this. Yes, I'm like a rocket. You can't stop it the way that I sock it. That means that I just punch up on the beat. Like I'm just gonna give you something to drink. Ooh, yeah, you know what I'm saying, like Hawaiian. Ooh, we be flying up in the sky like some jets. And you can't even bet, cause we don't even rest. Cause we are the best, don't even test you, what pest. And we gonna just spray some raid on you. Get the way, and just gonna rain on your parade, you fool. Yes, you can't even stop us, we so cool. Cause we go to school, we go to college. We drop knowledge all over you, man. You can't even stop it. You are like, ooh, what is this? But like you just wish that you could have a wish, but we ain't no genies. We are just meanies. We go so mean on the beat, so clean. But sometimes we can keep it kinda nice, like, ooh, man, that shit's so cold, so smooth, like the ice cubes in my drink. But we don't even just rap it, man. We go around the whole entire ring, cause we going so fast, like we playing hockey. Ooh, droppy poppy, sloppy sloppy, Joe, go slow, slow. Slow out of the Joe.
I'm going to this beat so sloppy, you could call it so sloppy. If you don't know my style, no, you can't jock me like I'm not riding on a horse. I'm riding on my horse, not knowing where I'm going, just gonna keep on glowing, flowing like I'm on neon. Gonna keep on this beat strong, like I'm just gonna keep on leaving strong. You know what I'm saying? Get on my left wrist, you know I missed this. That's what my daddy says. I'm just gonna repeat the beat. It's back on, it's back strong. Wanna get this little back long, this little back strong, so I can carry the world on it. Wanna get this beat so I can get this word on it. You know what I'm saying? Just wanna get these words be playing in my playground. The merry it goes round, the swings they go soundly, they be squeaking. It's okay, that's what I've been doing. I've been squeaking since I was a little boy. Now these balls have dropped and I'm just gonna get it, cause I'm a bigger toy. And I know it, cause I'm just gonna keep on fucking shit, cause I just suck. I suck. Oh, dick, bitch, rich.
Hey.
Ah.
One more beat.